6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Do with the other leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Just pull your leg to backward and with both the hands try to touch your leg to your back side. Both the legs should stay parallel, both the thighs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Do with the other leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Just relax, relax, relax. Now, just 1 feet gap between both the legs, and then raise your leg as much as possible, diagonal direction, not straight, not this side, to the diagonal direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. With the other leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay.
Try to keep your leg straight. Try to keep your leg straight. Other leg will be stable. And so whichever leg you are lifting, keep it straight.
Put some distance between both the legs, close to 3 feet distance, and then try to bend forward. Put your hands, both the hands on the knees. Try to maintain 90-degree posture like this. Try to maintain 90-degree posture, and then raise your both the hands and get it near to your ear, parallel to your ear, and then maintain the posture for 10 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now get some distance, the same distance that you had earlier. Now try to slide down your hand towards the ankle and then try to touch your toe. Try to touch your toe. See, you cannot, my legs are not visible. You can only see my hands, a little bit of leg outside, but you can only see my hand. So they are parallel. Try to maintain the posture. Leg should be straight. Touch your toe. If possible, slide your hand and put both your palm on the ground, and then try to go as much as possible towards the ground. Don't stretch too much. Slowly, slowly move up. Again. Slide, slide, and then put your palm on the ground. Maintain the posture. Don't forget to breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You must be getting a good stretch on your back thigh. Okay. Again, put some distance between the legs. Try to go bend down and then get your hands forward and then this movement. Go up and down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Legs should be straight. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2.
अंजलि पोछा लगा रही हो, पोछा नहीं लगाना है.
Now we'll do the same thing backward. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Do it 10 times. Then put your both the legs close together. Now make 45-degree angle. Make 45-degree angle. And then bend your knees. Bend your knees. And go on sumo squat. Both the hand you can put on your knees if you are comfortable with that. If you want the next level, you can raise your both the hands and maintain this posture for 10 counts. My legs are 90 degree. It should be similar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
मैडम नीचे जाइए.
8, 9, 10. Okay. Now put some distance, 2 feet distance, and then hands on your hip. Try to make a circle slowly, slowly. The bigger the circle, the more effective it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Now we'll stretch our chest. So 1, 2, 3, 4. See, my hands are touching at the backward as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. We'll do up and down. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay. Hand on the shoulder, both the shoulder. We'll rotate the shoulder here. First inward. Both the elbows should touch each other. It should touch each other for maximum benefit. And make bigger circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5,
एल्बो को टच
4,
कीजिए. शॉर्टकट हो रहा है.
3, 2, 1.
दोनों
Okay.
एल्बो टच कीजिए शिल्पा. दोनों एल्बो जब रोटेट कर रहे हो, ट्राई टू टच बोथ योर एल्बो.
Now maintain the stance, 2 feet distance between both the legs, and then let's raise our hand parallel to the ground. Now try to make smaller circles. You can do it anti-clockwise or clockwise. Suit yourself. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now increase the size of the circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Increase even further. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now stretch your hand by locking with the other hand. First with the right hand. Start with 1, 2. You should be facing always forward. Don't look that side. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Do with the other hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. We're done with the stretching. Let's do some quick warm up. Let's jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we'll twist our hip. So watch me. Just put your hand like this and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kick your back, kick your back. Make sure your hip is twisting. Make sure hip is making the movement like this. Like this. It will be effective. Okay. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Takes deep breaths. Okay. Let's do 20 count. Jumping jack. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ooh. Getting tired? Getting some sweat? I'm sure you will. You are having. Okay. Should we go for more warm up, Brajesh? Or is it?
Yeah. I'm seeing that Shobha and Shilpa, they are giving up very easily. So you can go one more count.
Okay. Let's do all the three things that we have done. One set more. So, first was jumping. 20 count jumping. My count. 1, 2, 3,
The more
4,
warm up you will make your body,
5,
the more effective your
6,
workout is going to be.
7,
Don't quit on the warm up.
8, 9, 10,
If you are
10.
not able to do, just start walking. But don't give up. Yeah,
7.
That's better. That's better, Shobha.
6.
That's better.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now,
They all have started where you were, Shobha. So don't worry. Just focus on the process. You are doing good. You are already doing good.
the next is let's twist our hip. 1, 2, 3,
Very
4,
good. Good dance.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, let's do the jumping jack. 20 counts. 1, 2,
Come on, fast.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Super. Good job. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Great. Thank you, Ashish. You did awesome. Super.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
All right. So all of you have been warmed up. Yes? Perfect. Now let's start. Come on. So we are going to get into the main exercise. Yeah? So the first exercise which you're going to do